Biakima sagero ga tebetenga corona nyite goite bono iga igonta gite go robot ndete go robot bwango ebuna korengana chi county government chitu chia Kisii na Nyamira ni chi county chinde chionsi emerongo chi county chionsi 47 une chatumia chibesi chitu chia corona ngakie tu are ku quarantine timazo somora igwense na igore nse bwango iga akine ntoko sabanga igore akogeregente ke turojenga abujunjumbura bonge no igonta gete ko kuira or robot rurikire. This is a report done by the Office of the Control of Budget. Yete nino musubati ukurukunga nere Dr Magret Nyakango robot ruwa koretwe wikirajita kemeron gibena inye mutinyu karenga mutinyu 8 na liya bete submitted which as Senate the head of committee yali kuligirira ngikibese cha COVID-19 cha tumikire kuri mutinyu gatatu wana chikaunti chitu tata na chirajo na bachite birage chite busio bukurumi burega no gwekerango kigoro jenda atebenga no bukurumi ase birengeri biane lakini nego kuira nayo ligiririo rore gokonyoranga obukurumi mbororo na na bugwanjira munenji ngo bokoramburega so tugenda yamase yemo turigererie e county ereriye tugende torore county ya Kisii. County ya Kisii na Nyamira makia kortegasi mawine special budget review implementation report on utilization of funds by the county governments towards COVID-19 interventions presented to the Senate ad hoc committee on COVID-19 21st August 2020. So togo tirimboka ga table of contents ga no tokuriria toreji county kire county bune akore to mutiani oya barode so ga wantu bwate county ya Baringo na rechagete wantu riringe county ya Kisii nga yere Kisii gere number 17 yiga number 17 so toko gana Nyamira ga karensa butambi Nyamira ko runzirio kalioga abetiga toko bansi Nyamira gere number 34 so igotoko genda se county ya Kisii tomyoka kwanga se county ya Kisii torenganga ke county ya Kisii tumede chibes chiaye na bindo kibiria ba tumiete ebyo byare ko kokonya ebunu muntu bwe county ya Kisii tonyoro urwe bwa corona bakakolenda sana bakakolenda county ya Kisii ikakolenda sana ne county ya Nyamira ikakolenda sana to basokonyoro urwe bwa corona bitambukiro bibiye irete nechibese buna ya tumiete warare so bono igotoko genda mpaka number 17 item number 17 gotora se item number we gente kuma to bono igotoko genda ndato genda monai no robot tuiki number 17 tuikira se good number 17 the table of contents nere yoga bo the implementation of the utilization of COVID-19 fund from 13th March 2020 when the first COVID-19 was reported on 31st July. So a county government ya Kisii grants from the national government. So a county government ya Kisii ndadengo bwatiri bigende kana korra anya maisa utri korra biyaga akinga kubongo chako korra useo rigende kiburunge. A county government ya Kisii egatumia kaewa chibese from the national government chialinge 241,037,000. That's from the national government. Tokamana konyora chibese kurwa donor funds. Donor babwata nirende badia bagotorora mabira ngabanta batiga bachibese mbabaze kwa kiranze donor ha bubaka me ototo 30 million. Yes, 30 million. Yes. Tokamana gocha se county contribution here county government of Kisii contribution chaye go chia se COVID-19 chiarenge 127 million. Yes, 127 million. Yes. So chibese chonsi pi total chibese chonsi pi chiri chia sangeretiwe chiare ko genda asamanganaya chikamana koba 398 million 37,000 398 million 37,000. Yes, it was a GHH the gab. Yes, quarters. Oh no. The item by item. kirende ekwerende county government ya Kisii ya spend chibesage tukamana konyona allowances security personnel akrabara go screen abantu gabuweta bakamana ko bakana irengejo moroje that is 469,000 tukamana wocha se a supply of face masks chimasks jimu ara kwa gugabo timaidose mwayatwe chimask chiria chikamana koira chibesiringa chikamana koira 8 million koroisia egento tokoroka nga production of the face masks chirichino go supply che face masks chiricha goretu lakini koroisi bono ukameko 3 million tukamana koira egento tokoroka nga yes 3 million yes supply allowances na reyo production na reyo subsistence allowance for COVID-19 related activities ikamana koira 300,000 chonsi chikamana wocha chikaba 11,769,000 bash tukamana kugenda wocha anse tukachanse tukamana wocha se ntokoroka nga acquisition of beds ebitanda oje ebitanda bikamana kogorwa na milioni irenga 8,590,920 yes tukamana gocha sokogora PPEs nichi sanitizer okogora gwoka ikamana go to cost chi million emerongene ebere 42,958,332 shillings 42 million each almost 43 tukamana gochika tokoro kanga renovation and alteration of renovation okunoko renovate chi ward yes asaba ruri bare kobera ba COVID-19 oko renovate work ukamana kuira 12,810,640 shillings yes renovation in each ward yes oko supply even tokoro kanga supply and assembling of ventilators ventilator chikamana kuira 24,622,500 ara mangana yiga sinu na mukarte gabo to kamana gocha nse ntura kora Kisii county ingeto kuna clinical equipments monitors kama kuira 2,920,000 electrical and mechanical works beds and wards one thing about renovation each ward igorunga kibala whatever lakini gana andi bali kiregentu kende igorunga electronical and mechanical works beds and wards one renovation each ward iliye igoro niye yende bone ne ya change lakini chikama kwanda 6,669 nyamangana yo wa tido chisamno chamangana ya boronge fumigation services ogosiarira kuri bari gosiarira gali account weta kuna bari go fumigate kamwe aroje ba gosiarira 17 million chikagenda 516,100 shillings chons 17,516,100 shillings chikagenda emergency supplies 6 million tima tingejo catering services ukoragera abarwaire bakaragera abantu bakaragera mekutane gakorwa endagira chibese chikamana kogenda oro 10 million okuragera woka igabantu ni baragera timekutane gakorwe menge catering services 10 million yes pono ento genengere ganta roje supply of face masks kamana kogenda 10 million supply of face masks ye item number 10 the supply of face masks chikamana kogenda ile ngoroje gabo 10 million lakini andi guruga item yende bona sige ekontandaneria iguru ga item number 2 supply of face masks bono bokora noja so bokora bole o supply of face masks ga item number 2 nero igerikire supply of face masks item number 2 nere kamana koira naende Item number 2. Item number ushukuri ni gorake na ende item number 2 na nebuate face mask jijete 8 million. 8 million jijete goro lakini ando go triple go chansa guika item number irengeje. Akizi ni kirage. Item number 11, supply of face masks chikamana koganda na ende 16 million. Horoje. Supply of face masks chiri kire kabere. Tadirimo. Chiri kire kalenga kabere. Chikaganda irenga 16 million. Yeah. Printing service is print 245,000. Water containers containers chimwana kwa 2,561,000. Respirators 750. Yes, again ndongere ga ko rogwanga ngie keboneke. Infrared thermometers 1,325,000. Plumbing work 124,000. Accessories control 195. Chonsi chibes cha county Kisii cha chieta gabo 183 million 33,000 shillings 785 jiji chete gabo. Tucharoke togenda se county ya Nyamira ega kare number 35, right? 35, yes. Togenda ngo Nyamira torrero ngaki Nyamira korte gasi ye amura nyite goite corona nyite goite nyite goite 10 million abantu bagaragera nyite goite corona nyite goite yes nyite goite 35 ngayirega Nyeri, Nyamira. County Government of Nyamira. Yes, item number, we are in item number, that is number 34. Yes, County Government of Nyamira. Wano Nyamira, yango turi mangana Nyamira gabo, Governor John Nyagarama. Unatumia chibese chi. Wano Nyamira ero, ekamana wakora iga. Ekanyora chibese from the national government, yaringa 106 million. 502,000. Ekamana konyora donors abantu bari ko konya nindi bazo kwa kiransi abaya kuganywa kuya bakaruta 5 million 320,000. Chonsi chikamana koba 110 million. Kwarode. So, ngakiba korte gasi ya bolende gozaba barako. County ya Nyamira ngakiba korte gasi yabo tiango kire declare okera biega good yes yebo ya sokire burunge chachire gormono ndo ja korora burunge biya bike 100 yes bona ngakibatu midi chibes chabo to traveling allowances officers to carry out market survey of medical equipments and ventilators personal protective equipment PPE in Nairobi. Yani bataramu abo obisabe county ya Nyamira bakaru Nyamira bakacha Nairobi. Ekera bacha Nairobi bakacha kuriye binte birende ngabonde bacha gukora rende survey yabo. Ugo survey yani ndari okugora survey. Bakama go spend 910,000 ugo travel kuru Kisii mpaka Nairobi. Nyamira county. Bakama na lunch allowances for the officers manning roadblocks, commander centers, specimen collection kiregento 790,000. Tukumenogocha allowances for the officers involving the training of home-based care. Baliba rekoberanka bakayawa 1,350,000. Tukumenogocha bantu bakoro kwanga supply 200 complete PPEs. Chika cost 2 million yes. Tukumenogocha se egento item yende number 5 gabo supply of assault hospital equipment of COVID-19 isolation wards, including washing machines, industrial cooker, oxygen, what 6,048,000. Tukamanochika sikurunga civil works for the completion of the Doctors Plaza COVID-19 ekamanakwera 20,956,654 shillings. Supply of supply of 4 motorized spray pumps, protective devices for fumigation, 106,000. Supply of non-pharmaceutical surgical face mask, and surgical, yes, chikamana koira nichi mask yes 910,000 chons chikamana kova chatumegete chikaba 33,160,654 shillings toje gabona item by item ne bintu byarenge bending ngabo bitarakorwa kinende kintu yaje kyaba bono diyango tucharo kiga tugende mpaka namba 35 ibintu byacharuka kirende na ndate muri gele mora kikaunti chido chakorre gasi chikorete gasi kabisa abana baitu batema sana korona enembe korona etata nyite goite baitu nyite goite korona nyite goite Nyamira item pa item to iskinsa bono ga tumaje kurigereria oh yes na yako redangana iko yes so the total expenditure ye county ya Nyamira Nyamira county expenditure yes ejo bono ebine bintu bibinde kwenye byarenge bigotanga ki Nyamira county summary of commitments as of 31st July turigeli bono gabo nturoje proposed construction and completion of Nyamira referral in 6 million supply delivery installation of commissioning of medical equipment 24 million supply and delivery of hospital mattresses which is Nyamira 1 million supply delivery of tents chiabandemera 50 seater 100 seater 2 in number 6 in number 2 in number chance chikaira 1 million obi Yesu Kristo supply and delivery of tents chitenti chiabandemera 5 chiarengi isano nemo chitenti chiabantu emie yemo ibere chikaira 1 million bamura emiro yemo chitenti mundo taro stiebe sindonge ite corona aya motorized spray pump 20 liters ekaira 800,000 supply and delivery of 3 ply disposal surgical face mask 2,500,000 supply and delivery hospital linen 700 pieces ekaira chonsi go chikamana koira 2,500,000 chipes chonsi county ya Nyamira tumiete egochire 127,900,000 shillings. I think we keragabu na bonegeretanga naigo one county yao ngakiroje tumiete chipes chibinte biroje no biroje abu ngakiroje aba bisa gutara goche Nairobi amura nyite goite corona nyite goite